Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel NCERT Maths Hub. Today in this video we will do worksheet number 57 for class 9 subject mathematics, and today our topic is circle part 2. Before we start this video, you must have understanding of circle and its related term, and I have already made a video on the topic circle and its related term, and for that video I will give the link in the description of this video, so you can watch that video from the given link. So now children, you know about the circle and its related term. Let's develop a better understanding with the help of some theorems. And here theorem number 1 is equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. So if we are given equal chords in a circle, then they will subtend equal angle at the center. So this is the theorem. So here we are given a circle with center O, and AB and CD are two equal chords. You can see here AB and CD are two equal chords. So now we need to prove that angle AOB equals to angle COD. So we are to prove angle AOB equals to angle COD. So now take these two triangles, that is AOB and COD. So now in triangle AOB and COD, OA equals to OC, that is OA equals to OC. These are the radii of circle. Similarly OB equals to OD, these are also radii of circle, and AB equals to CD, that is equal chords, that is given. So now these two triangles, that is AOB and triangle COD, are congruent to each other by side congruency criteria. So therefore we can say angle AOB is equals to angle COD by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So these two triangles are congruent to each other, therefore all the rest part are equal. So angle A will be equals to angle C, and angle B will be equals to angle D, and angle AOB is equals to angle COD. So by CPCT. So now the converse of theorem is also true, that if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle are at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. Keep in mind, if angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are also equal. So here, if in the figure we have AOB equals to COD, then we can say that chord AB equals to chord CD. So now we have theorem number 2. The perpendicular from center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. So keep in mind, perpendicular from center of circle to the chord bisect the chord. So let AB be the chord of circle. Here we have AB as a chord of circle. Now OMA equals to angle OMB equals to 90 degree. So you can see here OMA and OMB equals to 90 degree. Then we can say that AM will be equals to BM. So AM will be equals to PM. So now the converse of this theorem is also true. So ये देखिए रिजल्ट कैसे है आपके सामने है, ट्रायंगल AMO और ट्रायंगल BMO. You can prove the two triangles congruent to each other, and then by CPCT we can say AM equals to MB. And the converse of this theorem is also true, that the line drawn through the center of circle to bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Means if AM equals to BM, then angle OMA equals to angle OMB equals to 90 degree. Keep in mind, the converse of this theorem is also true. So now theorem number 3, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of circle. So equal chords of circle means of the congruent circle are equidistant from the center of circles. So in the given figure here, if AB equals to CD, we are given two chords, that is AB and CD here. So these are equidistant from the center, that is OM equals to ON. So the converse of this theorem is also true, that chords equidistant from the center of circle are equal in length. So if we are given that chords are equidistant from the center of circle, then the chords will be equal in length. So means here if OM equals to ON, then AB will be equals to CD. So now this is all about theorem number 3. Now example number 1, and this is the example of exercise 10.4. Example number 2, you can directly do the example from your textbook. So now proceed for practice question. Here we have two practice questions. So the question number 1 is, we are given if two equal chords of a circle intersect within a circle, prove that the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of other chord. So here we are given a circle with center O and two equal chords, that is AB equals to CD. So now do a construction, that draw perpendicular OL to the chord AB and OM perpendicular to chord CD and join OP. So you can see here join OP. So now we need to prove that the segment AP is equals to segment DP, or you can say PD, and similarly segment BP equals to segment PC or CP. So now in triangle we have two triangles, that is triangle OLP, this one, and similarly triangle OMP. So in triangle OLP and OMP we have OL equals to OM, that is equal chords AB and CD are equidistant from the center of circle, that is theorem number 3. So we are having two equal chords, those are equidistant from the center of circle, so OL will be equals to OM. Now OP, that is common side, and angle OLP equals to angle OMP, that is 90 degree each by construction. So now we have two triangle congruent triangles, that is OLP will be congruent to triangle OMP by RHS rule, that is right angle hypotenuse side. So therefore we can say LP will be equals to PM by CPCT, and CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So LP will be equals to PM. So now as perpendicular from center to the chord bisect the chord, therefore we can say AL will be equals to LB, and similarly CM will be equals to DM. So now as the whole chords are equal, that is AB equals to CD, then the half of these two will be also equal, that is AL will be equals to DM, or you can say CM. So AL will be equals to DM. So now adding these two equations, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2. So add AL to the LP and DM to the PM. We will get AL plus LP, and in the right hand side we will get DM plus PM. We will get AP equals to DP. हमें क्या मिल जाता है? AP equals to DP मिल जाता है. So now this is the first result. So now we also have that, we know that we are given the chords are equal, that is AB equals to CD. So we can write AB as AP plus PB. AB को आप राइट कर सकते हैं AP plus PB, and CD can be written as CP plus PD, जैसा कि आप फिगर में देख सकते हैं. CD को आप राइट कर सकते हैं CP plus PD. So now PD can be written as AP. We have already proved that. You can see here AP is equals to DP or PD. So PD can be written as AP. So AP will be cancelled, and we will get PB, or you can say BP equals to CP. This is the required second result. Thus AP equals to DP and PB equals to CP, hence proved. So these two parts that we are to prove, and we have already proved that AP equals to DP and PB equals to CP. Thus we can say that two chords of a circle intersect within circle, then the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segments of the other chord. So now we have question number 2, that is we are given that if a line intersect two concentric circles. Now first of all try to understand the meaning of concentric circles. The circle which have the same center are known as concentric circle. So if a line intersect two concentric circles within circle with center O at point A, B, C and D, then prove that AB equals to CD. So we are given two concentric circle with center O and a line L that intersect these two circles at 4 points A, B, C and D. So now we are given that a line intersect two concentric circles with center O at point A, B, C and D. We need to prove that AB equals to CD. We need to prove this AB is equals to this line segment CD. Now do a construction, that is draw perpendicular OL to the line segment, or you can say chord AD. So now as AD is the chord of bigger circle and OL is perpendicular to AD, and we know that perpendicular from center of circle to the chord bisect the chord, therefore we can say AL will be equals to DL, as perpendicular from center of circle to the chord bisect the chord, therefore AL will be equals to DL. Similarly BC is also the chord of smaller circle and OL is perpendicular to BC, so BL will be equals to LC. BL will be equals to LC. So reason will be same as above. So now subtract equation 2 from 1, or you can say from equation 1 and 2. AL minus BL will be equals to DL minus CL, and this will give us AB equals to CD, and that is the required result. So यही हमें प्रूव करना था. So AB equals to CD, and this is all about question number 2. So if you learn from this video, then please do subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching.